Well, hello everyone. It was great meeting you all Wednesday night, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic semester, and I hope you are as well. You did a great job getting started on your websites, and we're going to continue to develop those all semester. However, I would like for you to experiment and explore a little bit on your own. So get in there, change the themes, try some different settings, and don't get too stressed out because we're going to learn plenty in class. But I just want you to get in there and try a little bit on your own. So hang in there. I'll be back with you here in just a moment. We're going to look at some things with some screen captures. All right, now you're going to join me in what's known as a screencast. And basically you're just going with me as we look at my web browser. And so the first thing I want to look at very quickly are the results from the baseline survey that we completed on the first night. And you'll notice about half of our class are early childhood education and elementary. And then there's a nice representation of several other content areas, so that's going to be exciting and fun. We've got some diversity. The other thing was about where you live. Most of you live within 5 miles. There are some that live beyond that, but remember, we're going to make the safest decision when it comes to weather condition. Hopefully we'll have good weather, but I will be letting you know on that. The other thing was just knowing Apple or Android operating system on your phone. That's important as we look at different mobile apps, but you're fine with either one. The other thing is knowing if you have an iPad or an Apple laptop, because we're going to be using iBook, and if you do not, no problem, but we need to know how many we need to check out from the university. So more on that as we get to that point. The other thing was rating your technology expertise, and it looks like we're leaning a little bit more to more experience, so we'll find that out. We'll adjust the class as needed. The other things just help me know experience with cloud storage, blogs, wikis, educational apps, whiteboards, video editing software, slideshow, task stream, and it just helps me know how to plan as we get into those classes. The other great thoughts about expectations about integrating technology in the classroom, and we're going to learn more about that, one-to-one initiatives and dealing with low SES areas. So some great comments there. The other thing I want to get to very quickly is that if you look under students and look under Beard section 5, and if you click the little triangle to the left of my name, you'll be able to see fall, and then you can go and look at, maybe you'll recognize someone's name, or you want to go look at certain content areas and just explore around and see how other folks did their websites. But I want you to focus on the About Me or the Bio page. And if we look at Kara's, you'll notice that she did a nice job. And if you look at page 9 in your course packet, you'll see that there are 3 paragraphs. And I'd like for you to go ahead and get started working on this. And we'll have a little time to edit and improve upon it. But the first paragraph should be about your program and why you want to be a teacher. The second one will give us a little more information about your past experiences working with children, from Sunday school teacher, boys club, coaching, anything like that, tutoring. Then the third paragraph should be a little bit more about your hobbies and pastimes. And then you can go and look for a photo, and it should be something like this one where you're wearing something you'd wear in a classroom. You should be smiling. We shouldn't see hats and sunglasses or see you out on the beach and those kind of photos. So find one, and if you want to give it a shot, see if you can insert. It's not very hard to do. I think you can figure it out, but we'll be working on that, so don't get too stressed, but give it a shot. And I'd like for you to go ahead and explore and get into the settings and change the themes and just see how far you can get playing around, and then we're going to learn a lot more. The other thing, when you are logged into your site and you look in the upper right hand corner, you should see the blue share button. If you mouse over it, you should see public on the web. If you do not, click on that button, and then when the pop-up comes up, make sure you change it to public on the web. If not, then when I go to your site, I see that. I can't see your information, and that stinks. I got to be able to see your information. So give that a shot and change that setting. Let's see. The other thing, we have some readings this week. If you'll go under course materials and click on 7 things readings, then you should be able to find our readings about organizing files in the cloud and personal learning networks. So you'll be able to find those there, and you'll be able to download them or open them, and they're not very long, but it'll prepare you for class. The other thing this week, surprise, if you click on instructors and scroll down, you'll see Misty Anderson. She's going to join you. She teaches the class that's right before ours, and she's going to be hanging out with you because I've got to go to Texas. So hang out with Misty. You're going to love her. She is awesome, and I will see you next week.